There are a million different ways you can wear your hair in, but want to make sure your look is yours alone? You should try out these gorgeous hairstyles that need a simple accessory and minimal effort. Bored of wearing your hair in a saggy, lifeless ponytail? Give it the ultimate lift by sectioning your ponytail horizontally and tucking a bobby pin diagonally into it. Release the upper part of your ponytail and drape your hair over the pin to cover it up. This adds an instant lift to your ponytail without much effort. Frizzy hair is mostly caused due to the absence of moisture in the air, extreme dryness, and lack of proper nourishment. So on days when you're running late and have no time to tame the frizziness, a top knot is the best way to go. Pull all your hair into a ponytail and backcomb some strands to give it some volume. Wrap all your hair around and secure the bun with a few bobby pins on the top and on the bottom. It doesn't have to be super neat or slicked back, so you can team it up with a hairpin or a cute bow. Want to look decked up but a little lazy to drape a fancy hairdo? Here's a cool way to spot your hairstyle without all the effort. Put on your favorite hairband, twist a lock of hair and tuck it into the band. Repeat a few twisties on each side and tug a few strands for some added volume and texture. There you go. It's the easiest way to wear your hair and make the most out of your hairband. This hairdo is perfect for people who have straight hair. If you don't, you can choose to either straighten your hair or simply tongue it from the bottom to give a neat finish. Now, pull back your hair from the temples into a half ponytail and secure it with a rubber band. Now position the clamp right above the rubber band and push it into place. Pull out your ponytail from the center of the clamp and remove the rubber band. Straighten your hair out to give it a finished look. Want a quick top knot? Another way to make a neat top knot is using a ponytail using a thick rubber band. Fan your ponytail around the rubber band and put a thinner rubber band on the top to secure the shape of the bun. Now, take a section of your hair, make a twisty and wrap it around the bun. Repeat the same till you've secured all your hair around the donut with a bobby pin. There you go, a neat, sleek top knot. Flowers just got a whole lot cooler with this hairdo. Take a small section of your hair on each side, twist each one firmly to prevent any strays from sticking out, and pin them at the back. Use multiple pins so your twisties don't loosen up. Select a few hairpins of your choice and delicately start tucking them in one after the other. Hold the twist while you're adding these accessories to achieve this simple yet beautiful hairdo. On days that you're too lazy to wash your hair, wear your hair in a ponytail, bun or even a half ponytail and drape a quirky bow hair tie around it to add some style and polish to your hair. These hair ties are super cute and only take 2 minutes to amp up your regular hairstyles. Not a big fan of using heat on your hair? We've got a simple yet cool hairstyle that will make you look put together in 2 minutes flat. Wear your hair into a ponytail and section out 2 thin strands near your temples. Twist one section and tightly wind it around the barrel of your curling tongue. Hold for 10 seconds and voila! Repeat on the other side and you'll have an effortless hairdo in no time. If you love a crimped effect on your hair and don't know the right way to get it, we're here to show you a super cool hack. Take a chopstick and tightly twirl a strand around it, leaving no gaps in between. Take your hair straightener and go over your chopstick for about 15 seconds. Repeat this technique on as many strands as you'd like to add volume. Pin your hair at the back and there you go. Do give these quick and easy hairdos a shot on days when you're running late or need a quick office hairdo. Stay tuned and stay glamorous.